Hey everyone, it's Mandy McGuire of the Keller Williams Pinnacle Group, Mandy McGuire Group here in Columbia. Just wanted to share some spring maintenance tips with you, how to protect that investment of your home. So come on inside and we're gonna walk through and I'll show you what we're gonna talk about. Number one, decluttering closets is always a good idea. Obviously we need to do it here, so don't look in there. It's time to get that paint out and do those paint touch-ups. Another good idea is to always check under your kitchen sink or your kitchen appliances to look for leaks or any wiring issues. Now is a great time to check your fire extinguisher, make sure it has enough pressure, and don't forget, as we have spring forward, always reminds me to put new batteries in our smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. Not to mention, don't forget about that furnace filter and check that or replace it. Now is an even better time to clean out that refrigerator, give it a good scrub, make sure we get rid of all those condiments that are out of date. Not to mention, while you're in the kitchen, you can also change out that filter on your range hood. Now is a great time to dust those blinds or get down and get those baseboards clean too. Don't forget, wipe down the doors and the tops of those as well. And don't forget in the bathroom, you want to check that exhaust fan, make sure that's clean, and all of your light fixtures. Thanks for taking a walk through the office with us today. And don't forget, Saturday is daylight savings time, so make sure you move that clock forward 1 hour on Saturday evening before you go to bed. A few more tips we will have listed below. And don't forget, if you're not a homeowner yet and you want to do all of this too, we can definitely help. Give us a call anytime. Let us know how we can help you buy your first home.